Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Captiva, a compact SUV that's all about practicality, efficiency, and modern style. With updates for this new model year, the Captiva is designed to meet the needs of urban drivers and small families alike. Let's take a closer look at everything it has to offer. Body panels. The 2025 Captiva boasts a refreshed and streamlined exterior. The body panels feature smooth contours and sculpted lines that not only enhance aerodynamics but also give the SUV a more refined appearance. Subtle flares over the wheel arches add a hint of athleticism, while improved panel gaps show Chevrolet's focus on build quality and fit and finish. Headlights. Up front, the Captiva wears a new pair of projector-style LED headlights. These are now slimmer and sharper than in previous years, lending the vehicle a more aggressive and modern front look. They provide excellent illumination at night and include LED daytime running lights for added visibility and a contemporary touch. Taillights. Around back, the taillights are also LED and feature a wraparound design that flows smoothly into the rear quarter panels. Their high-mounted position improves visibility to other drivers and adds to the SUV's upscale aesthetic. The light signature is clean and distinctive, yet perfect for standing out in city traffic. Grille. The grille on the 2025 Captiva has been reimagined to be bolder and more cohesive with the brand's global design language. A wide blacked-out mesh design is framed by chrome accents, giving the SUV a confident and premium presence on the road. The grille is also functional, helping with airflow and cooling performance. Seats. Inside, the Captiva offers flexible and comfortable seating for 5 to 7 passengers, depending on the configuration. The seats are designed with soft-touch fabric or leatherette options, depending on trim. Front seats offer generous bolstering and support, while the second and optional third-row seats fold flat to maximize cargo space. Long drives feel easy thanks to ample legroom and well-cushioned seating. Dashboard. The dashboard design is clean, functional, and driver-focused. It's constructed from soft-touch materials with gloss black and satin silver accents for a more upscale feel. All controls are within easy reach, and the visibility is excellent thanks to a slightly elevated driving position. Practical touches like multiple storage bins and cup holders add to the Captiva's daily usability. Infotainment system. The center of attention is the Captiva's new 10.4-inch vertical touchscreen display. It's responsive, easy to navigate, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're using navigation, streaming music, or answering calls, everything is right at your fingertips. The infotainment system also includes Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and even a 6-speaker sound system that delivers clear audio across the cabin. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is wrapped in synthetic leather and features a 3-spoke design with mounted controls for audio, phone, and cruise functions. It's tilt-adjustable and ergonomically designed, giving the driver an intuitive grip and control over key systems without taking hands off the wheel. Higher trims include a flat-bottom design for a sportier feel. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Captiva is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces around 148 horsepower and 170 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, it provides smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy, perfect for city driving and weekend getaways alike. The suspension has been tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps well even on less than perfect roads. Hybrid option. While the Captiva does not currently offer a hybrid powertrain in most global markets, Chevrolet has hinted at a mild hybrid variant in the near future. For now, the standard gas engine remains the only available option, though it strikes a good balance between performance and efficiency. Airbags. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Captiva. It comes equipped with 6 airbags as standard, dual front, side, and curtain airbags that protect both front and rear passengers. These, combined with the reinforced safety cell and crash-absorbing zones, offer solid protection in the event of a collision. Parking assist. To make urban driving easier, the Captiva comes with rear parking sensors and a rear-view camera as standard. Upper trims include a 360-degree camera system and front parking sensors. There's also automatic reverse braking, which helps prevent collisions with objects or pedestrians when backing out of tight spaces. Price. One of the most attractive things about the 2025 Captiva is its pricing. Starting at approximately $25,000, the Captiva offers excellent value for budget-conscious buyers looking for a well-equipped compact SUV. Fully loaded trims top out around $31,000, making it one of the more affordable and feature-packed SUVs in its class. Ending note. And that wraps up our full look at the 2025 Chevrolet Captiva. It's stylish, comfortable, packed with modern tech, and priced to appeal to both young professionals and growing families. If you're in the market for a dependable and versatile SUV, the Captiva deserves a spot on your short list. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us your favorite feature of the new Captiva. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.